Late again? I'm sorry.
Late, late, late. Has this ever happened to you? Does this often happen in your facility? Have everyone in your facility be on time every time. The problem? When using simple non-synchronized wall clocks in a facility, the clocks will drift in time at different rates, requiring them to be adjusted on a regular basis. Non-synchronized clocks cause confusion since each one will display a different inaccurate time. The solution? Sapling Synchronized clocks. Sapling is a world-leading engineering and manufacturing firm of state-of-the-art synchronized clock systems. This means that all Sapling clocks in a facility will incorporate advanced technology, allowing them to display accurate and uniform time. This will greatly contribute to productivity and efficiency since everyone is referring to the facility's precise time source. Using Sapling synchronized clocks will also reduce maintenance costs and time by eliminating the need to send facility personnel to manually adjust all clocks. No more climbing on a ladder to adjust each clock manually for constant time drifts in each individual clock, resetting time after a power outage for electrically powered clocks, twice a year daylight saving time changes because Sapling clocks automatically adjust. Our clocks are offered in different sizes, shapes, and design options. We can even put your logo or mascot on the clock dial. Sapling is based in the Philadelphia area, USA, and our synchronized clocks are used all over the world. Don't give people a reason to be late in any scenario, may it be in a school, hospital, or office complex, or even people missing their train, flight, or bus. Never have a bad day being late, because it is never too late to have a Sapling synchronized clock system in your facility. Contact our team of experts for more information.